The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger screen, an improved 1-inch sensor, 4K 240 FPS recording, better autofocus, and AI-enhanced features. It aims to deliver professional-grade performance for vloggers, travelers, and creators seeking cutting-edge video quality in a compact design. Reports suggest a slightly larger frame, weighing 190 grams, possibly to accommodate a new 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is expected to offer a resolution of 480 by 800 with 800 nits of brightness, ensuring better visibility in bright outdoor conditions. Improved button placement and a more ergonomic grip texture are also anticipated, making the device more comfortable for extended shooting sessions. The Pocket 4 may feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens, promising sharper image quality and superior low-light performance. The ISO range could span from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, offering enhanced performance in challenging lighting conditions. Color fidelity is expected to improve with 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, providing greater flexibility for color grading during post-production. Autofocus upgrades might include phase detection and eye tracking, significantly reducing focus hunting issues seen in the Pocket 3. A new processor is rumored to handle larger data rates, enhanced computational photography, and real-time HDR previews, streamlining content creation for vloggers and creators who prioritize speed and quality. The Pocket 4 is expected to introduce smart features such as ActiveTrack 7.0, combining phase detection and eye tracking for more accurate subject tracking. This could ensure smoother, more reliable focus on fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for vloggers and action shooters. Its gimbal stabilization system may also blend mechanical and advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, delivering ultra-smooth footage, even in high-motion scenarios like action sports or fast pans. With the ability to shoot 4K video at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. The Pocket 4 promises sharper details, improved low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. These improvements make it a must-have tool for creators seeking cinematic quality, precision focus, and faster workflows. Battery life is another crucial aspect, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to offer significant improvements in power efficiency, enabling longer recording sessions. It could support fast charging, with a 25-minute full charge using DJI's PD charger, a notable improvement over the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3. Enhanced heat management is also anticipated, allowing for extended recording without overheating, making it ideal for long filming sessions or hot conditions. The Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's 3-year release cycle. Priced at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo, it marks a slight price increase from the Pocket 3. However, with features like a larger screen, better stabilization, and improved image processing, the Pocket 4 positions itself as a premium tool for serious creators, while casual users might prefer the Pocket 3. Since these details are based on leaks and rumors, it's wise to wait for DJI's official announcement before making any decisions. But if even half of these features materialize, the Pocket 4 could be a game changer for portable video production. What features excite you the most about the DJI Pocket 4? Let us know your thoughts.